Welcome to another Yaad event. Today we are at the final year visual arts exhibition at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. If you know me, you know I love art. So stick around and see what these talented students have in store for you. So I'm here with Kacy-Ann Blake, one of the final year students. Kacy-Ann, introduce yourself and tell me what program you did and also what the name of your installation is called.
Okay, so my name is Kacy-Ann Blake and I am a final year student of the Textile and Fiber Arts Department. My design is basically called Crown of the Gardens. It is a series.
All right, so tell us about Crown of the Gardens.
Okay, so this series of design is basically inspired from the crown of the flowers, the crown of thorn flowers. So I basically did 4 different panels to show how in different ways we can basically layer with colors, form, and different textures. Now, this artwork is basically the purple winged butterfly, and the other artwork is a transparent winged butterfly. We usually pass the crown of thorn flowers, and we don't really recognize the significance of it. So that is what I actually introduced to be a part of Jamaican identity.
Okay, thank you. So tell me some of the techniques that you use in developing these artwork.
So I basically did a mixture of mola, applique, beading. It can be with beads or with buttons, and satin stitch from the machine, and also weaving from the machine.
All right, tell me if I got this right. You said mola. Tell me what that is.
Mola is basically a technique that you introduce different type of techniques together to layer. So it's basically a layering technique.
Okay, show me one of those here.
All of these. So they have
Oh, okay.
and you see a sheer material, and this are basically burn the satin material in order to get the bubbly effect. And then I have a material underneath to show. So yes, when you lift certain areas, you can see.
Okay, I get it now. I get it. Mola, see, I learn every day. I learn something new. You know, so I learn something. I could be a graduate. I want to understand the challenges that you have or had in doing this, because I know that you are one of the pandemic babies, you want to call it, in terms of the fact that you were attending college during the pandemic. So tell me how that was for you and how you overcame in order to be able to present today.
Mm-hmm. So for the past 3 years, I was on student loan, and then 4th year was when I was funded different type of scholarships from Black Mango. I also got from everywhere, people just jump in, and I could get to complete my final year successfully.
Oh, so basically before you were having an issue in terms of coming up with the finances to actually present a final year project.
Yes, because I was not sure where the money would come from my final year. So I was funded scholarships and grants from different places.
All right. So for those who may be wondering, like myself, when you say somebody just saw your talent and decided to just give you money, or you had to do your research and apply and all of that?
So for Black Mango, it was funded from my lecturer, Miss Coombs. Yes, big up Miss Coombs. And other scholarships where I had to apply based on my GPA and the talents that I had to showcase.
Okay, I love that. Having completed your program, what advice would you give to somebody now that you have been through it already?
I would say that do not give up and let God be the center of everything, because I had to do all of that. It is really hard in the arts world to basically come up with funding, because really and truly I did not know how I would make it through final year. So it was a lot of challenges mentally and all of that. So we have to make sure that we are stable enough. So I had to pray. My mom, I had to call her and basically tell her my problems and all of that. So yeah, put God first. Make sure that art is really what you want to do, because it is not easy. It has to do with something you really want to achieve and change something in the arts.
Thank you so much, Kacy-Ann, for taking the time to speak with the Yaad Trends Media team. And I am looking forward to big things from you.
Thank you.
The School of Visual Arts Final Year Exhibition celebrates the remarkable talent and achievements of the next generation of artists. This event represents the culmination of years of hard work, growth, and artistic exploration. It serves as a testament to the boundless potential of the students at the Edna Manley College and their ability to create art that resonates deeply with the world. Don't miss out on this extraordinary visual feast. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes, where we will introduce you to more exceptional student exhibitors, their captivating projects, and the stories that fuel their creative vision. Prepare to be captivated, moved, and inspired by the School of Visual Arts Final Year Exhibition at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. If you're interested in coming to see the exhibition, it goes straight up until June 29, so you need to check it out. All right, thanks again for watching another Yaad Events. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next Yaad event. One love.